In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add photos over your videos. I'm going to use my movie app. Click on Start Edit. Then I'm going to use one of the clip. I'm going to use this animal clip. I downloaded the video from Pixel. It is free to use if you want to use this video in your clips. The links is in the description. So let's say, for example, I'm speaking, then I want to add a photo. For example, a photo to appear while I am speaking concerning something. So all you just need to do by using this My Movie app, click where you want the photo to appear. And the first of all, I want to show you is that when you click on this down arrow, plus icon, when you click on gallery, this, and then photos, and then let's say, for example, I want to add this iMovie icon, My Movie icon photo. If I click like that, you will found an error. An error is going to appear. How? Because this is going to appear at the end of this clip, or it can appear before, and we need this to appear above this clip while we are speaking. So I will click edit, remove that. So for example, I want this to appear here above. Click on the plus icon, click on overlay, then photos, choose the photo that you're going to use, this one here, and there it is. Then all you just need to do, you need to resize on this photo like that, and maybe I put here at the corner, and then when it plays, here is how it is going to appear. So when my video is playing like this, and then I need that my movie icon to appear, photo, that is how it will appear. And this is how you can add your photos over your videos using My Movie. If you want to know how to remove this watermark icon that is written in My Movie, don't forget to check one of my videos in the link description. I made a tutorial on how you can remove the watermark for free in My Movie app and adding your own. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.